have a shopping option here at Dennis Kirk called Open Box. It's products that cosmetically might have something wrong with them, but all the functionality is still there. So let's go ahead and take a look at a few that are in stock right now. First up, the Moose Off-Road Black One-Piece Roof. Pull it out, it's one solid piece, matte black, clean finish, not too glossy, not too plain, just right. It's big enough to give real coverage over the cab so it keeps sun, rain, and branches off you on the trail. And for example, this one made its way to open box of just a few small scratches on it. Next up, the Nelson-Rigg Road Trip Throw Over Saddlebags. This pair of saddlebags found their way into open box because someone attempted an install. It didn't work out, so they returned them with just a few small scratches along the mounting bar, resting bar of the saddlebags. The throw over design is super convenient. Just throw them over the bike, tighten down the strap, and you're good to go. No racks, no permanent hardware, that's it. The material is thick but flexible, so you don't have to worry about ripping anything when loading gear. They've got reinforced stitching and a few extra pockets, which makes organization easier. Then we've got the Puig smoke front screen deflectors. For road trips or longer rides, these are way more practical than you'd expect. It's designed to deflect wind and debris off your hands, and the mounting is simple. Everything lines up with stock holes, and the screen feels sturdy, not flimsy at all. It also adds a nice aggressive look to the front of your bike. It's going to be that balance between style and function. And best yet, these made their way to open box with just a few small hairline scratches on them. Finally, the Dynojet Power Vision 3. So if you've swapped exhaust, intake, or just want more control over how the bike runs, that's going to put everything at your fingertips. This one, someone just removed the film on the screen and returned it, and so we have to discount it as such. So if you're shopping on a budget, try out an open box option at DennisKirk.com today and save yourself some money.